This is a joke, but it's the truth. A small but significant percentage of the blanket of greenhouse gases warming our planet is methane from cows. That's right. Cow belches and flatulence. Now, the truth is a little less funny, a little more complicated, having its roots in cow evolution and physiognomy, and scientists can't change that. Cows have a complicated digestive system that served them well back when these were free-running animals evading predators on the ancient prairie. The idea was to eat a lot and run away, digesting as you went along. But this unusual evolutionary holdover isn't very chemically efficient. The cow's food moves through 4 different stomachs before it's finally digested. The first of these, the rumen, is where the animal's digestive system first goes to work breaking down all this plant matter, in a process that produces a lot of methane, a greenhouse gas, which the animal then has to vent, one way or another, although it's mostly out of the front end as a matter of fact. Now, a few years ago, a couple of Canadian and Australian scientists discovered that adding just a small amount of certain varieties of seaweed to the cow's feed would tweak that chemical reaction taking place in the cow's stomach, blocking the formation of all that methane gas and causing the cow instead to grow muscle a little more efficiently, or produce more milk. More product, in other words, from less feed, with the side effect of dramatically reducing the greenhouse gas emissions that are one reason why a big cattle population may not be the best thing for the planet. Well, one thing that may be good for the planet is more of this strange red seaweed. It not only absorbs carbon dioxide, as plants do. When it's grown in the ocean, it absorbs excess nitrogen and other potential pollutants there too, helping clean up the water where it grows and repair that end of the ecosystem as well. Now, humans didn't really invent this problem of greenhouse gases from large ruminants, but let's face it, our society's growing hunger for beef has made it worse. One thing we can do about that, though, is to find clever ways like this for disparate pieces of the ecosystem to interlock, work together.